Aries, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong November 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong November, 25% discount sa lahat ng tarot reading services kapag nag-book ka ngayong November 2024. Ayan. So, yung information link nasa description kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, the description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay. Aries, let's see what's coming to you. November 2024. Kaperahan, money, career, finances. You have links. This is intuition and independence, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ipupursue na bagay sa trabaho, sa business ninyo, sa career nyo, na kahit mag-isa lang kayo at feeling nyo may mga taong hindi sumusuporta sa gusto nyo, ipupursue nyo pa rin. Kasi naniniwala kayo doon sa inyong vision. Nakikita nyo na ito talaga yung path na dapat nyong tahakin. You are committed to yourself. You are committed to your purpose. You are committed to your destiny. Kasi maaring ngayong November maipapakita sa'yo kung ano yung landas na talagang magiging very successful ka. You will feel it, no? Mararamdaman mo yan na yun talaga yung path na para sa'yo. Some of you, pwedeng this is related to your spiritual path. Pwedeng kayo ay meant to be a spiritual worker, spiritual healer, teacher, kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo na path para sa'yo. Pwedeng may kailangan kang baguhin. Okay? May kailangan kang tapusin para makapag-focus ka dito sa bagong path na gusto mong tahakin. Okay? Let's see what else. You have spider. Okay. Spider is about yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Precision. Okay? So, this is also your purpose. Alam mo kung ano yung path na dapat mong tahakin for yourself. At alam mo rin kung ano yung dapat mong gawin to make things happen for yourself. 'Di ba? Yung mga spider, gumagawa sila ng web, ng spider web. Alam nila yung purpose nun is to catch yung kanilang mga yung prey, ayan, yung mga insects na pag dumikit doon, so may pagkain sila. So, ang nakikita ko sa inyo ngayong November is magiging methodical kayo sa mga plano ninyo. Hindi ito yung tipong padalos-dalos lang dahil naramdaman mo lang na ito yung path na tatahakin mo. You will also do it carefully. May plano. Okay? Kumbaga sa pagpapatayo ng bahay, merong blueprint kasi ipaplano mo kung ano yung gusto mong kalabasan ng bahay na yon. So same with your career, your business, or your projects, your finances. So let's say medyo naging messy yung iyong finances nung nakaraan. So ngayong November, meron kang game plan. Ano yung dapat mong gawin? Ano yung dapat mong somehow i-sacrifice para maipon mo or makuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo pagdating sa finances mo, or makuha mo yung gusto mong resulta for your business, for your career. Okay? So ngayon, very ang tawag doon, pag kumbaga scientific yung iba scientific yung method mo na meron kang susundin or susundan na steps. Dahil ito ay masasabi mong guaranteed success for you kapag finollow mo yung step na yon. You have storm. Okay, itong energy ng storm is transition. Okay, this is also about strength, confidence, resilience, adaptability. So, ano man yung challenge na pagdaanan mo para sa proyekto na to, para sa bagong opportunity na to, or bagong endeavor na gusto mong subukan this November, kayang-kaya mong mag-adjust, kayang-kaya mong mag-adapt. So, depende kasi yan kung gaano mo kagusto ang isang bagay eh. Let's say, sa negosyo mo, alam mo sa sarili mo na itong negosyo na susubukan mo, papasukin mo, ay magpapayaman sa'yo. O syempre, 'di ba, hindi ka susuko. Ipupurso mo yan. Mahirap man, sige, go lang. Hindi ka parang mawawalan agad ng interest. Kasi alam mo yung magiging resulta eh. Kumbaga, focus ka doon sa goal mo na yon. Okay? You have the Fool. Oh, you are taking risk. Aries, all out ka dito. Gusto mo talagang may magbago sa buhay mo. You want financial freedom. You want to try new opportunities. At alam mo na meron mang mga pumipigil sa'yo, meron mang mga taong nagdi-discourage sa'yo na wag mong gawin, gagawin mo pa rin kasi naniniwala ka sa vision mo. You have the Five of Pentacles. There are times na parang isipin mo, tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Kumbaga, minsan i-question mo yung sarili mo na siguro nga tama sila na hindi ko to dapat gawin. Pero don't doubt yourself, Aries. Kasi I'm telling you, the moment na mag-doubt ka sa sarili mo, doon ka na magsa-start na parang mapanghinaan ng loob, mawalan ka na ng enthusiasm, no? Seven of Pentacles, you really have to be patient. You have to be patient with yourself. You have to be patient with your vision. Makikita mo yan, may nagiging pagbabago, may improvement, okay? Kaya kailangan hintayin mo yung tamang timing para i-execute yung mga bagay-bagay, yung mga decisions na gagawin mo. You have to be very careful, and at the same time, alam mo rin kung paano mag-adjust just in case may kailangan kang baguhin, i-tweak, or may kailangan kang ayusin. You have the Empress. See, I am telling you, Aries, whatever this is na kumbaga parang i-all out mo yung sarili mo, malakas yung loob mo na subukan, this is going to be very successful to you. This will bring you stability. This will bring you abundance in your life. When it comes to your finances and career, hihintayin mo lang talaga kasi ito yung panahon na i-challenge ka sa patience mo. Okay? Kasi minsan nagmamadali ka, gusto mo agad ng resulta. So i-challenge ka ng universe kung gaano ka persevering, kung gaano ka determinado, at kung gaano ka willing na maghintay. Okay? So, this is going to be worth it, I'm telling you. Whatever this is, can be a new business, a new career na susubukan mo. Page of Pentacles, never, kumbaga, wag mong hayaan na maging parang stagnant ka, na stuck ka sa isang situation. Keep on learning, okay? Keep on improving your knowledge, and this will really help you para mas ma-improve mo yung iyong abilities. Oo. And I think the more na ini-improve mo yung knowledge mo, yung skills mo, abilities mo, the more na mas maraming opportunities na darating sa'yo. Okay? Let's see. Yes, discipline. You are going to work smart. And itong disiplina sa sarili mo na to, na hintayin at mag-undergo ka sa process at hindi mo mamadaliin, this will really bring you success. See? You are healing. Itong fertility is productivity. Okay? You are going to be more productive. Marami kang ma-achieve, marami kang matatapos, ma-accomplish. Just focus on your goal. Itong mga hassles, problems, hindi may iwasan yan eh. Ang importante is your focus on your goal. At kung meron mang challenge or mishaps or parang may minor setback, ito yung opportunity for you to learn and to grow dahil meron kang matututunan dun sa experience na yon for sure. Okay? Let's see your final message. Needs. Do you need more time to yourself, a break from thinking too much, a kind encounter with a friend? Your needs matter. It's time to honor them. So, may mga times din na kailangan mo rin ng time for yourself. Okay? Lalo na kung medyo stressful na, you need the break. Kasi yung break na yan, magre-reset ng mind mo yan eh. And magkakaroon ka ng fresh ideas, ng bagong perspective that will help you in accomplishing your goals. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!